The veil of caduceus, which is the medical field symbol, so what those are the distorted kundalini energies um, that go up the spine. We could talk about that another day too, but the veil of caduceus, poison apple, EM, electromagnetic field begins formation within and surrounding every cell and every atom and the growing embryo after the day 6 mutation. All cell division and growth follow a Fibonacci sequence Metatronic code of expansion after the 6-day mutation. As the 6-day mutation activates the organic Yan-Yune sacred butterfly, electromagnetic flows of the light body become distorted, forming the mutated poison apple Yin Yang Metatronic flows and the electromagnetic harness within the light body / radial body structure. Here we have, over here, we see the Yin Yang tube torus Metatronic flows inorganic. Yin Yang closed circuit Metatronic flows form an inorganic tube torus electromagnetic harness static field around and within the radial body, which inorganically recycles trapped primal life force currents within a closed circulation system, rather than allowing for open primal life force current Christic circulation between self and God source. Over here we see the sacred butterfly, Yan Yun A, Christic flows, the organic flows. Organic Yan Yun A flows allow for open circulation between radial, light body, spirit body, and God source. The organic Christic eternal life Yan Yun A flows are blocked within cellular division by the veil of caduceus / poison apple after the 6-day mutation activates. Here we see what break these currents down a little bit more, and you're actually looking at density 1 flows. So you're seeing 4 sets of sacred butterfly flows here, because this would be for dimension 1, dimension 2, dimension 3, and then density 1 counts as its own thing. So down in here, we see these are the first dimension sacred butterfly flows, second D2 level sacred butterfly flows. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at drawing with this mouse. Then third dimensional sacred butterfly flows. So actually, let me show you how they go. So this would come up, around, back in, across the rod, come over here, make the other wing. Then it goes down here. It makes a little loop-de-loop, figure 8, and comes back to the core. This is one of the sacred butterfly flows. Would be the first one. This would be the magnetic spiral. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, that's the upside down. Okay, so then the opposite to that, then we're going to see that these sacred butterfly elemental flows we're going to work with them in sets of 3. So there's that one that goes that way. Then there's number 2 would be the positive electrical, comes out like that. Nope, sorry. Wait, that was wrong. Here, comes out, makes these wings back across the rod like this, then up. Whoop, I lost my mouse. Up, makes the little figure 8, comes back down to the core. Now, if you'll notice, does this remind you of the female reproductive system a little bit? I'm doing this really badly. Those are the magnetics. Here we see, what are these? What's this remind you of? Perhaps the male reproductive system. Yeah. Those are the electrical flows. Do you see down at the bottom here how they fit into the Merkaba perfectly? They have connection points at the Cathara grid, fit right inside the Merkaba. It all connects.